Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and for today's English lesson, I've got another set of commonly mispronounced words in English for us to practice. Those words are answer, fruit, debt, months, recipe, and Wednesday. Let's check them out. Answer. Answer. This word is spelled with a W in the middle. And some people try to actually pronounce the W, as in answer. But we don't pronounce the W. It's silent. Next up is debt. 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 Now I know this word has a B in the middle, and some people try to pronounce the B, as in debit, or debit, or something like that. But the B is silent. Oh man, you guys have too many silent letters. I know, it's weird. Debt, debt, debt. Next up is fruit. Now, this word is spelled U-I, and the I makes the U sound and OO sound. Fruit. But don't pronounce the I. It's not fruit, or fruit, or fruit. It's fruit. There's one syllable. Fruit, fruit, fruit. Next up, months. Months, months. Now, this word has a THS at the end of it, and some people who speak very, very proper sounding English, like British English, they pronounce it as months. Months. But the average American just says months. It rhymes with once. Once, months. Once, months. 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 Next up, recipe. Recipe. Now, I know that the spelling of this is a little bit weird, and it kind of looks like recipe or recipe or something like that, but there are 3 syllables. Recipe, 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 recipe. And finally, we have the middle of the week, Wednesday. Wednesday. Now, there's a D in the middle of this word. And you might be asking, well, Michael, why is there a D in the middle of the word if we don't pronounce it? I don't know, but that's what we do. Wednesday. There are 2 syllables. Wednesday. 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 Next, let's check out these words in sentences. Answer. Answer. Do you know the answer? Do you know the answer? Debt. Debt. That guy spends too much money. He's got a lot of debt. He's got a lot of debt. Fruit. Fruit. You should have 2 servings of fruit every day. You should have 2 servings of fruit every day. Months. Months. He's been going to the gym for several months. He's been going to the gym for several months. Recipe. Recipe. Hey, this is delicious. Can you give me the recipe? Can you give me the recipe? Wednesday. Wednesday. The nickname for Wednesday is Hump Day. The nickname for Wednesday is Hump Day. That's right, Hump Day, because we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend. Wednesday is Hump Day. It's the hump. It's the middle of the week, like the camel's hump. It's Hump Day. Wednesday. Well, that's it for today's English lesson. Thanks for checking it out, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next time right here at Happy English. Bye, guys.